Alright, so I just got the Goldshell miners in. So if we open this bad boy up, very nicely packaged. There's protective foam all around it. It's very small. If you compare it to my hand, as you can see, it's pretty much the size of my hand. So look at that. They are really small, guys. This is very thin. You can pretty much hide these anywhere. We're gonna have to see how much sound they make. The power port and the Ethernet cable port right there. And that's pretty much it. Nothing special. The fans on the other side. By the way, I also ordered the power supply thing. It's good for 2 boxes, so it's perfect for these two. So I can plug both in with one. I got it connected over there into the power supply, and from the power supply into the miners. Apparently I can maybe have 4 because it has 4 of these and I'm only using 2. So if I switch the power on now over here, it should turn green. I need to connect the internet cables into these two. Everything seems legit to turn green, so that's good. All right, there we go. We have the internet cable set up. I'm gonna switch it on again. And yeah, now we're gonna go onto the computer and download the program to connect to these devices. Got a BC downloaded. Now I'm gonna press the small little button over here and over here, and then it should show the IP address on here. And it does. I already did the KD box. Now we're going for the HS box. And so you unlock it over here. You press unlock. The password is 123456789, and you put that in. And then you come here over to pool settings. Now in pool settings, I use DX pools for these. You go to HNS. Over here you have the URL. Copy the URL over here, paste it over here. There we go. And then you put the password that you have for a DX pool over here. Okay, then it's loading. So once we have added that, it should say over here when we go to manage that there is one worker. As we can see, it's active right now. Then we go to the KDA. Here we see in real time the gigahash per second manage, and we see one worker working. All right, guys, they're mining and they're not making that much sound actually. I don't even notice that they're on. They're in the living room. There's also not a lot of heat coming from them. We'll go into the profitability in the next video. This was more for the unboxing. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.